Wanting to apply similar actions to orders one by one can be a tedious task. To avoid this, Orderhive allows to perform certain action on an order in bulk. To bulk update the order, first go to Orders section and select multiple orders. From More, click on Bulk Update. Once you select the Bulk Update option, a pop-up window will open. From that, you can select an option from the drop-down list that you wish to apply on the orders. Once you select the action, click on Submit. The action will be applied on the selected orders and you will receive the notification on the top right corner of the page. Be heedful, bulk action cannot be undone. Please make sure of the action before you click on Submit. You will receive a report once it is completed. Once the process is completed, you will be able to view a log file. So easy to bulk update your orders. This is how Orderhive makes your work so effortless. I hope this was a useful one. Still not getting what you want? Connect to a product expert through this chat icon. For more videos, please subscribe to our Orderhive channel now, and happy selling!